Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. What are we doing today? You guys know I like to just dive right on into it. First of all, let me say, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I would love for you guys to become a part of the Wrapped in Scraps family. If you are already a part of the Wrapped in Scraps family, I thank you. I appreciate it. I truly, truly appreciate it. Now, we're going to run and do some errands, but the errand we're doing today is a little different than most. I wanted to see if I could spend $50 and get a whole outfit. You guys know I like to thrift, so I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I might go to Joann's to get some jewelry that I can make to go with the outfit. So everything that I get will be to make an outfit. And then once I get it all, I'll show you guys what I've made. It's gonna be part DIY, part thrift, part new. We're gonna just kind of corral all that together, and we're gonna see what we get. And I'll be showing you guys what I did, what I bought, where I got it, how I put it together, and how fabulous it's going to be. Okay, shall we go? Let's go. All right, so we are off, friends. So I'm excited about this project because I've been really trying to find a way to incorporate my crafty side with my DIY side concerning fashion. And there's been plenty of things that I've made, my mirror shoes, I've painted purses, I've done all kind of stuff like that. But I am really big on thrifting as well. So I thought this would be a perfect time to go to my local thrift store, see what I can find, and then see if so what I like to do when I'm doing little challenges like this for myself, I like to start with the old and end with the new. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna head to my thrift stores, consignment stores, things like that, to get my clothing first. Even you know, Ross, Joann's, places like that. But in this particular situation, I want to go to the thrift store. Why? Well, because I haven't been in a couple of weeks, or at least 2 weeks. So I want to go to the thrift store because I haven't been in a while. Plus, when I get there, let me see what's over there. Is there a Michael's near the thrift store? I don't know. I might have to drive across town to go to Hobby Lobby. But there's some things I need to get from there anyway. All right, you guys, so we are on the way to my most favorite thrift store. Yes, this is Savers, in case you've never seen the label on the front of the building. And this is my happy place. This place right here is extremely wonderful to me. So I'm gonna do my rounds. I'm looking for shoes, I'm looking for purses, I'm looking for blouses, I'm looking for jewelry, I'm looking for all kind of stuff. As you can see, I found some cute little shoes there. And I'm just trying to corral a few things together, come up with a few good pieces that I can choose from to make my little outfit. As you can see here, they didn't have the best choices. They had a few things that I found in my basket, as you can see. I was kind of digging that yellow shirt, but I passed that up. But the one in my basket, that's the one that I'm going to be getting. I always check the spot where they have the bracelets, watches, and jewelry. I always check those spots. Sometimes it's kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they have good things, sometimes they don't. It all depends on the day and time. This thrift store is self-checkout. It was not like that long ago, but it is now. Sometimes I enjoy self-checkout. Sometimes it reminds me of when I worked in the women's department at JCPenney. Do you guys see this crazy weather? When I went in, it was nice and sunny. Look at this. Raining. Look at the ground. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm having a pretty good day. I'm alive, so I cannot complain. My heart goes out to Ukraine. My heart goes out to all the states across the country that's been dealing with weather issues and floods and hurricanes and tornadoes, and the list can go on. If you're in one of those regions, praying. I've been praying for everybody at this point. I mean, the whole world is in an uproar. Shoot over to Hobby Lobby. Good old Lobby. We'll go to Hobby. So you can see behind me, we're still on our quest to find things for the thrift store and just put together an outfit. So I'm here at Hobby Lobby. Let's go in and see what they've got, shall we? All right, here we go. Okay, you guys, so Hobby Lobby is like a casino to me. okay? Now, as you can see, I'm showing some little perfume bottles, some little knickknacks, things, home decor items for your home, bathrooms, living rooms, etc., etc., okay? Hobby Lobby is a Christian-based company, so you will see a lot of things in there with scriptures and all that stuff, and I love that. So I came in for several things, and I tried to keep my focus. I need this E6000 glue. I needed to find some little charms or something to put together a bracelet, indoor necklace, indoor earrings. So I came and checked out the little trinket section here. Really cute things. A lot of times you can find stuff on clearance. So if you are not a quote-unquote crafter, but you still like home decor, stop by Hobby Lobby. Do not punish yourself, sis. Go in there and see what they got. You will find something. I promise you will walk in there and leave with something. So here are their bead sections with all the stuff you can make jewelry out of, necklaces and pendants and bracelets and rings, and there's bling. There's a little bling wall here. We love bling. Love those rhinestones. So there's a lot, and I just wanted to film a bit of everything for you guys. So just in case you didn't have a Hobby Lobby near you, you can kind of get a look on what you might find if you go in the store. I did not go by the sewing section or the arts and craft, like paper craft section. I also didn't go by like the frames and mirrors and wall decor, stuff like that. But here's a little that you can see here. And again, this is one of my favorite stores. It's huge. And if you go there, you're going to have a good time. If you're not familiar with Hobby Lobby, you don't have to be an arts and craft person, like as far as knitting, painting, drawing, and all that to be arts and crafty, okay? You don't have to. Anything where you're creating, even if it's something digital, that is crafting, okay? It's just using your imagination and making something that wasn't into something that is. That's it. So if you're doing that, you're a crafter. All right. All right, you guys. So this is the last store. I absolutely had no business in here at all, but I couldn't help myself. So I came in Macy's because I wanted to see their clearance section. Sometimes they have clearance jewelry that's like 80% off. But I could not go in there and avoid the purse aisle. I just couldn't. Now, those of you who know me already know I could not help myself. I really tried, but I didn't buy anything. I just looked, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed looking. I had a good time. I'm happy that I did it, and I'm not sorry. Just really quick, first let me say, there is a quadrillion, trillion, zillion ways to make gumbo, okay? So don't leave no comments down below talking about that's the wrong way. I don't want to hear it, not today. I don't want to hear it, okay? Sis, bruh, I'm going to make it the way I want to make it, and it's going to be good, and we're going to enjoy and live our life, and that's that. So let's start. All right, so I picked up, I already had some chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs when I'm making gumbo, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I do have some chicken broth here, pot. So we're going to start with the chicken broth. I should have picked up some more, but I didn't, but it's okay. So I'm going to put down below, I'm going to link below the recipe that I use for this dish in case anyone wants to follow along and do suit, okay? All right, you guys, so here you see me skinning the chicken. This is chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs. So I'm going to skin the chicken. I'm going to drop that into the pot, and then I'm going to chop up the sausage, saute it a minute, throw that in the pot, and then I'm going to make my roux. And I think most people know how to make a roux, but it's basically oil and flour. I'm going to make my roux, stir that until it's a nice dark brown, and then I'm going to add that to the pot. In the roux, sometimes you can put some salt, some seasoning. I didn't put any this time because I figured I'm going to be adding it to the pot anyway. I added in my parsley, I added in my onions, and I kind of let that get to boiling. Then I added in my gumbo fowl and my Cajun seasoning, okay? Next and last was my crab and my shrimp. I added that to the pot, and I just allowed for that to boil and simmer down for maybe an hour just to make sure all the flavor got in there. And there you go. Now, I know a lot of people like to have their gumbo with more more sauce in it. I personally don't, which is why mine looks kind of dry. There is sauce in there, but I didn't want it to be overwhelmed with it. Sometimes I like it in a soupy format, and sometimes I like it like that. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be showing you guys in the next video or so how I put the outfit together from the things I bought from Savers. So stay tuned for that. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.